In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to set up DMARC in Zoho Mail in 2025. This is an important step if you want to protect your domain from email spoofing and phishing and make sure your emails land in the inbox, not spam. First, open your browser and go to mailadmin.zoho.com. Log in using your Zoho Mail Super Admin account because DMARC settings require full admin access. Once you're inside the admin dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Domains. You'll see a list of domains connected to your Zoho account. Click on the domain where you want to enable DMARC. After selecting the domain, move to the Email Configuration section. This is where Zoho lets you manage email authentication settings like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Now find the DMARC section and open it. Zoho will show you the DMARC TXT record that needs to be added to your domain's DNS. If the record is not already added, copy the TXT value provided by Zoho and go to your domain registrar or hosting provider's DNS manager. Add a new TXT record exactly as shown. After saving the DNS record, come back to Zoho Mail and click the Verify button. DNS changes may take some time to propagate, so if verification fails at first, wait a bit and try again. Once verified, DMARC will start working to align SPF and DKIM, helping prevent unauthorized emails from being sent using your domain. That's it. Your DMARC setup in Zoho Mail is complete. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you, check out more Zoho Mail tutorials for better email security and setup tips.